Do you know you have been exporting your video the wrong way from your editing app? I know you don't know and you have not heard of this before. It's good day everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can export your video from your editing app with the rightful resolution. I know you haven't heard of this one before. There's no doubt. Good day everyone, I'm Mr. Kokus. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the rightful resolution you should export your video with. Let's dive in. I know earlier before I learned this update, I've been exporting my video with I shoot my video with 4K resolution, and when exporting I export to 4K resolution, and that has been giving me a bad review, you know. But when I came across this video on YouTube on how you can export your video with the rightful resolution, I tried it on my own video and it worked perfectly well. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can export your video with the rightful resolution from your editing app. So what's it I'm talking about? You know, we shoot with 4K resolution and we export in 4K resolution. When we post this on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all these social media platforms, it will be hard for them to compact it. It will be hard to compact. So what should you do? What you need to do is, when exporting your video, make sure that your video is in 1080 resolution, then 30 and then 30. As you can see in the screen now, this is the perfect exporting resolution you should know. I know you don't know this. I know you don't know this. Offline, you don't know it. Even if you know it, no one has explained to you this way. So just see it now. So guys, kindly follow me if you're watching on Facebook, you're watching on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on TikTok, also follow my channel. So guys, this is just it. And also drop in the comment section the aspect ratio you have been using before you came across this video. I hope this video was useful and engaging and entertaining and everything good. Guys, I'm a comedian. I'm Mr. Kokus. I'm a comedian. You can check me on my Facebook, it's in the description. Check me on TikTok, in the description. I love telling people what I know that will help them. So this is just me. I'm very simple and fun to be with. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. It's very important. Subscribe now. Hey, one and guys, see you guys in my next video. I hope your day is going well. Oh. Dream big, blue Lamborghini. That's one of my dream. You know your dream. Pursue your dream. Don't let anyone talk down your dream. You know yourself. Be yourself. See you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye bye.